Hi guys, Vladimir is here, Melbourne Decking and Landscaping, and today I want to show you how to install a aluminium 5mm T-shaped clip. Okay, so we installing here a aluminium powder coated clip that provides a 5mm gap, or technically 5.5mm gap, and it is called T-shape. So we have installed our first board already. We have installed the starter clips. You can have a look at the previous video how I installed the starter clips, but yeah, the first board has been installed, and now we're installing these T-shaped aluminium clips. For them, because they are quite tall compared to the stainless steel clips, we're using a 50mm screws, and the installation is slightly different. So you hold the this aluminium clip, you put the screw in, and then you start screwing it, but you don't tighten it down, you just keep it a little bit loose. And the same thing for the second one. And you don't over tighten. Okay, so the next thing goes in. When they are slightly loose, you put the next board in, and while you're holding the next board, you do a few clicks to tighten down. Click, click, and then here as well, hold it and then tighten. That's it. So these are the two boards installed with the aluminium T-shaped clip, and then you continue basically the same. So I also want to say advantages and disadvantages about these powder coated aluminium clips. The disadvantage is that this clip gives you a bigger gap, which is 5.5mm, and even it is Australian standard to have a 5mm gap. Most people don't like it, they prefer the smaller clip, but the advantage is fantastic. The advantage is that the screw is in the middle, and what it means that you can access to the screw between the boards, unscrew it and slide off all the clips, and then lift up one board in the middle of a deck without dismantling half the deck. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, whatever, and let's go!